Tony enters with a smile. Magic kites stretch mile by mile. Rainbow colors fill the air. Happy wonder kites today. Red and yellow, green and blue. Every color bright and new. Tony paints with happy cheer, now is here. Colors shine so bright. Cut and fold and tie it right, making one amazing kite. Tony builds with loving care. Colorful fun every care. Colorful fun everywhere. Let's create today. Push goes the magical breeze, flying kites with gentle ease. Tony laughs with great delight, watching every colorful kite. Wind helps kites to fly. Higher, higher up they go. Rainbow kites begin to glow. Tony waves with happy grins. Sky adventures now begin. Fly so high today. Over fluffy clouds we fly. Rainbow colors fill the sky. Tony smiles from ear to ear. Magic wonders every white. Sprinkle stars upon the kite. Now it sparkles big and bright. Tony cheers with joyful eyes. Magic shines across the skies. Stars make kites its glow. Butterflies begin to dance, colorful with every glance. Tony flies them in the breeze, floating softly through the trees. Floating softly through the trees, nature sings with joy. Hey! Many kites fly side by side, rainbow colors far and wide. Tony claps with happy cheer, best kite show of the year.